Hopefully by Halloween time, a cold front moves through. Last Halloween, guys, we had temperatures in the 50s. Last Halloween.
I remember it was cooler.
It was chilly.
Right now.
And that's what we want in the next 7 days. But unfortunately, it's not going to play out that way. It's going to be extremely hot. And summer continues and marches forward for the first week of fall. So let's talk about that and temperatures in the 90s this week. About 95 today, and then we'll be right around 95 tomorrow. Again, first day of fall today. And it marks the time of year we start and begin to see equal day and equal night. In the summertime, you see long days, which leads to a lot of heat, high temperatures in the 90s and 100s. But during the fall, you get a little less daylight, and that's what helps, again, bring temperatures down, hopefully closer to average by later this week. We'll talk about that in a second. Right now, downtown San Antonio, 94, feels like 97. Southwest winds at 6 miles an hour. A few clouds overhead, but overall a decent day, but way too hot for the start of fall. I mean, it's 94 at the airport, even hotter at Lackland. Let's see, Lavernia at 96, same thing at Calaveras and Stinson at 96 degrees. Remember, normal temperatures this time of year for late September is about 89 in the city. That's average. And right now we're at 94 to 95. I think the preliminary high in the airport was 95 degrees, 94 at Hondo, 95 at Eagle Pass. Everywhere very similar with a few degrees cooler clocking in over in the hill country communities like Kerrville and Fredericksburg and near Comfort. Now here's satellite and radar combined. 1 or 2 showers trying to fire off southwest of Cuero and west of Victoria. Not going to be much for us. We'll stay pretty quiet tonight. The farther north you go between, let's say, San Angelo, Lubbock, the Red River Valley, and all the way towards Dallas eventually later on tonight, a line of broken showers and thunderstorms, not severe at the moment, but producing a lot of lightning around I-20. That'll continue to march east for the next several hours, staying well away from our area. Here's a look at Morgan's Wonderland Camp on the north side of San Antonio. Tonight's forecast, 92 at 7, sundown around 7:30 tonight. 87 at 9 o'clock and lower 80s beyond that. Tomorrow's timeline for your Monday, for the first Monday of fall, not going to feel like it. Middle to upper 90s tomorrow. By the end of September, our average high actually goes down to about 88. And again, it's way too warm for this time of year. Tropical satellite, the hurricane season is continuing to be a little active. We have a tropical wave in the Western Caribbean Sea. That'll continue to march farther north in the next several days. It looks like by Wednesday, Thursday, it's knocking on the doorstep between Alabama, Mississippi, and most importantly, Florida, where it's expected to make landfall sometime by the end of the week. At the same time, what this will do, this kind of pattern, it'll reinforce a shot of cooler air. It's not going to be cold, but it will drop the humidity, bring down the high temperatures a little bit closer to normal by the end of the week. So here's the 14-day forecast. 95 tomorrow, 93 Tuesday. Small chance at rain as that front drives through. Isolated storms Wednesday. 90 on Thursday, maybe 89 to 90 on Friday. Look at those mornings, middle 60s, very dry air, lower humidity. And then we're rebounding pretty quickly by the weekend time frame. But one front on Thursday morning with the second front likely on the first day of October, Phil. So at least a couple 80s on the map.